I've always been passionate about adventure and the great outdoors, and for me, having a camper is the ultimate freedom. I bought this truck with the idea of converting it into the perfect mobile home, and the interior is where I really get to make it my own. I chose to customize it because I wanted a space that wasn't just functional, but also reflected my personality and love for nature. Designing the perfect interior wasn't easy. Space was a major constraint. You quickly realize just how limited space you have in a truck camper, and every inch counts. I had to really think about what I needed versus what I wanted, and it was tough to decide what features to prioritize. Budget was another big consideration. I didn't want to break the bank, but I still wanted quality materials and finishes. There were times when I thought about giving up, but the vision of waking up in beautiful places kept me going. The actual build process was a journey in itself. I started by planning out the layout, trying to maximize the use of space. I decided on a minimalist approach, incorporating elements like reclaimed wood for a cozy feel. I sourced materials from local suppliers and salvage yards, which not only helped with sustainability, but also added unique character to the build. From building custom cabinets to installing the flooring, each step was a learning experience. The more I worked on it, the more I realized how much I enjoyed the process. There was something therapeutic about turning raw materials into something functional and beautiful. I learned a lot about patience and perseverance. Some DIY techniques didn't turn out as planned, but that's all part of the process. The final reveal was incredibly satisfying. Seeing all the pieces come together, the lighting, the colors, the textures, everything just felt right. I had envisioned it in my head for so long, and to see it in reality was just amazing. I took a step back and it felt like my own little home. I couldn't wait to hit the road and experience it in different landscapes. Recapping this journey, I'm really proud of how it's turned out. The interior has some amazing features like the custom bed that folds into a sitting area and little touches like the plants I added to bring in some life. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear about your own camper experiences or adventures. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about DIY projects like this. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more DIY tips and outdoor adventures.
You